So to set up our domain, we're going to start here in the WordPress dashboard and then go to Domains. And then here under Claim Your Free Domain, let's click on Claim Domain. Here, the first thing we want to do is choose our domain extension. Generally, I recommend to go with a .com domain if you can. It's just what most people are used to, so you can't really go wrong with that. However, if you want to choose a different domain extension, you can do that as well. Then enter your desired website name in this field and click on Check Availability. And then it will tell you if your domain is still available. If it is, make sure that's the actual domain you want to use for your website. And if that's confirmed, you can go ahead and click on Claim Domain. Now, to finish the registration for our new domain, we're going to have to enter our contact details. If you're setting up a personal website, then stick to personal. If it's going to be a company or organization website, you can switch this here and click on Next Step. Then simply enter the contact details and click on Finish Registration. Here, let's click on Continue. And this will take us back to the Hostinger dashboard. Now there's one more step to complete domain registration, which is that we have to confirm our email address once again. So let's go to our email inbox and look for an email saying verify your email address to use your domain. Let's open the email and then click on Verify Email and click on Continue to Home. And now we're back in the Hostinger dashboard where we can see our new domain right here.